Welcome to Tech Assist Tutorials for Apps. This is part 2 of using the Libby app. In today's tutorial, we'll be looking at the shelf side of the app. At the bottom of the screen, you'll notice the two words separated by the Libby icon. On the left is the word library, and the right is the word shelf. You'll notice that the word shelf is in red. The red indicates which side of the app we're in, so right now we are in the shelf side of the app. Let's take a look at our loans. At the top of your shelf page, you'll see loans, holds, and tags. If you click loans, you will go to the loans part of the page. This shows you every item that you have currently checked out. You have options to open a book, manage your loan, and of course it shows you when your due date is. You'll also notice on the Francine Rivers one, it's got a fourth line which shows the percentage of the book that you've read. As soon as you've opened a book, it begins tracking how much you've used, how far you've read. When you click on the colorful square beside Manage Loans, you will get this little menu. It gives you your title, it gives you your due date, and the barcode that you've got your item checked out on, as well as the option to send to a device, to return early if you're finished, and within 3 days of it coming due, if no one's waiting for it, the Renew Loan option will also be in black, which would allow you to click that to renew your item. Tap on the cover of the book or the words Open Book to open your book. A menu will appear at the top and the bottom. Tap in the center, the menu will go away, and you can turn the pages by a quick swipe from right to left. To go backwards, swipe from left to right. Tap in the center one more time, and you will open, tap, not swipe. Tap in the center one more time to open the menu. One of the first things you can do is change your font size. You can also change the background lighting, bright, dark, sepia. You can change your book design, so your font face, from a variety of options. Choose the one that you're most comfortable with, choose your justification, left or right, and your line spacing, as well as the weight of the print. Other things you can do with the menu are search for something within the main text, or you can use the back button to go out of the book, and then just tap on the cover to go back in, and then of course tap on chapters if you want to see where you are in the book and if you want to skip ahead or go back. To save a page, tap on the upper right corner to create a bookmark. This is helpful for book clubs if you want to tap sections you want to refer back to. You can scroll to find, or you can use your chapters to skip ahead to spots where you know you were and you wanted to mark the pages. When you're done, tap the center to get your menu. The multiple bookmarks show, and there's your bookmarks, and you can just tap on each one to open that page. On your shelf, you have an Actions option, which allows you to synchronize your shelf, read books with, and change download rules. Read books with allows you to choose Kindle apps and devices, or Libby this app. Since Kindle is only available in the US and not made available in Canada, you're always going to want to have Libby this app as your choice. To change the download rules, you can read these options and choose whichever one best suits your needs. Okay, let's now go and have a look at the holds part of the shelf. Holds is the second option on your main menu on the shelf page. If you click the word holds or the arrow, you can go to the holds page. Your holds shelf shows you everything that you have requests on. You'll see with these two titles that they're in different situations. The first one is now available and ready to borrow. You can click the plus or the word borrow in order to borrow it. You can manage your hold or choose to have it delivered later, and we will look at those options in a moment. The second title you'll see is not yet available, is showing there's roughly a 2-week hold left, but you can manage your hold or play a sample at this time. When you click on Manage Holds, you'll get a series of options. It tells you your title and the place it is in the series. It tells you when your hold was placed, and gives you the option to suspend a hold or to cancel it. So once again, you can manage your hold, suspend or cancel. This is how to suspend longer or shorter and then update hold. Then you can go to your shelf or change your hold suspension. The back button will also take you back. We also have actions in the red in the upper right-hand corner, and you can from there synchronize your shelf or suspend all holds. If you suspend all holds, this will put them all to the same date. The third menu item on the shelf side of the Libby app is tags. Let's have a look at those now. What are tags? They're a flexible way to organize the books you finished, want to read, loved, or hated. You can also rename them, delete them, or add as many tags as you'd like. They're specific to each device and do not currently sync between devices. Where can you find your tags? They're under Shelf, Tags. From there you can browse the books you've tagged, rename tags, or delete them. Tap Tag on a book's details screen or in a list and then select a tag. To add a new tag, tap Tag on a book's details screen or in a list. Tap Add, name your new tag, and then tap Create Tag. To rename a tag, go to your shelf, Tags, tap a tag. On Actions, click Rename Tag. Then enter a new tag name and tap Rename Tag. In order to untag a book, go to your shelf, Tags, tap the tag, swipe left on a book, then tap Remove. You also have a notification section on your shelf side of the Libby app. We're going to have a look at that now. When you click on the little Libby icon, which often has a little number across the top of its head, it will open a side menu. Under your libraries, if you click on your library, it takes you back to the home page. You can add a new library. You can synchronize or suspend your holds. You can choose how your notifications are shown to you. And you can learn Libby. Tons of tutorials. Enjoy all of them. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact the Tech Assist team. You can reach Julie at jfox@ntpl.ca. Visit our website at www.ntpl.ca. Follow us on social media at https://linktr.ee/new tech library.